The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Kakanuan Menteri Kalashim Jaka Jongksha ban sdang ya project lyngba ka public-private partnership bantai gijingtai gibede bagakam Jngohkai ba ka 5-star hotel ba ka resort. Menteri rangba ulong ba ya kini Jaka ada bantiat balakad ru ya ka expression of interest. Bagi beliau kila banishim menta balataw ka committee bat daga ba pensyong nang rem ya kini ka jingis lok ba ka jingikran. Ya ka jing terwa ka pura lawan ra akmat jang kakanhun menteri ya ka bakal ajing menjur. Menteri rangba ulong baga Sorkar kadang itu Jngohkai ke bakongsan hagabayde bagam Jngohkai kom Jongksha lat luam nong jerong bat sentung ban pentre kam ki project agakam Jngohkai perthai bandon ki hotel ki beramdor dag batai lyngba ka PPP mode nalor kaneu konrad kongkal sangma ulong baga Sorkar kalaman jurru bantiat Jaka hatan umdan ka ban long kum gejing gentio hagakam Jngohkai perthai bat ban bha sanpo klur tengka ban shnai kesurok na umdan shenong po berkumdan ke dekisnong ke bapau nambha haga jing penmi igijan rendia haga babon bha kinong Jngohkai perthai kilat chikene kisnong bakla don ru gejing dawa ka bajur ni kipat ba bak Sorkar ke banbo Jaka Jngohkai ha kan ikathan
of land for development of tourism for a PPP project in Jongksha area. As you're aware that government has now maximized its land holdings, whether it's the Tura Orchid land, which has again been finalized for a PPP project, where a private hotel is going to set up and invest in a 5-star hotel, whether it's the lands we have in Sora, whether it's the lands that we had in Shillong, and so on and so forth. This I mean by government land, so mostly by MTDC. So almost all the areas where we had land where we could upgrade into public partnership project where we could get large hotels, luxury hotels to come and invest. We have exhausted most of the land, and there are many important areas like the Laiklum, the Nongjrong, and this entire Sintung, and this whole belt of Jongksha. This area is of course a very popular tourist destination. And we strongly felt that there was a need to have a good resort and a 5-star hotel resort in that area. And hence there was a need for government to procure land. And this land has been purchased and government has agreed, cabinet has agreed to go ahead. Proper procedures of course have been followed in every sense, where expression of interest were floated, people participated, a committee was set up, and based on that discussions, negotiations, and final proposal was put in front of the cabinet, which was approved today. The procurement of land in Umden area, which again is an area which is developing as a tourist destination. We have sanctioned 50 crores for the road to be constructed towards Umden from Nongpo, and Umden is a silk kind of a village area where a lot of tourists are going. And again, there's been a huge demand by the local people that government should set up some kind of a tourist area, lodges and stay areas. So in order to fulfill that, we have again gone ahead and agreed based on the proposal given by the department for the government to buy land out there.